Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Google account is active and your device has enough free storage. Open Play Store and search the exact game title. Once found, tap the game page to read permissions and reviews. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so patches install later. If the app is large, connect to Wi-Fi before downloading to avoid data charges. Once done, press Install and watch the progress bar. Keep the screen awake until installation completes so files write properly. After installation, open the game and accept only permissions you trust. You can change them later in settings if unsure. You should link your Google Play Games profile or create an in-game account to save progress. This prevents data loss across devices. Next, walk through the tutorial and pause to configure graphics quality, control sensitivity, and notification preferences for better performance and comfort. If there are optional downloads like extra assets, download them now over Wi-Fi so gameplay is smooth and finish initial tutorial missions to unlock core mechanics and claim any welcome bonuses that speed progression. Make sure to test performance. If you notice stutters, lower graphics, or close background apps, then relaunch the game. This often stabilizes frame rate. If the app crashes repeatedly, clear the Play Store and game cache or reboot the device. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall after backing up saves via your linked account. If problems persist, contact support with your device model, Android version, and error details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.